Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix when you are trying to open any image file on your Paint app on your Windows 11. So at that time you can facing this kind of error. Paint can't read this file. As you can see guys in my screen, same error I am also facing. So first you need to check your image file format. If the image file format is AVIF, then you can't open this file on your Paint app. You need to have the AV1 video extension on your PC, or if you don't want to download and install that extension, you can easily convert that image file format to JPG. So open any web browser on your PC, and then in the Google you need to search AVIF to JPG. Okay, just search it and open any website to convert that file, and select your file and click on open. Okay, now here you can get the option to convert. Just click on convert. It will start the converting process. After convert was completed, you can get the download option. Just click on download and right click on your downloaded file and go to the downloaded folder. Okay, here you can get your file. As you can see guys, now our file will open in the Paint app. Just right click on your file, go to open with and go to Paint. Okay, as you can see guys, now our file was opening successfully in the Paint app. Okay, so guys, if you want the permanent solution to fix that problem, you need to download the AV1 extension, video extension from the Microsoft Store. So just open the Microsoft Store on your PC like this, and here simply search AV1 video extension. Okay, and simply install this extension on your PC. So after installation was completed, just you can directly open that file on your Paint app. Now you don't need to convert that file. As you can see guys, now our file was opening on the Paint app. So these are the two solutions to fix that problem. Okay, so hopefully enjoy this video. If you enjoyed, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.